Good evening, everyone. Today is Monday, March 2nd, 2026, and many of you might have seen the video that is playing on your screen now about the trending people of Mansur community fleeing their homes. But I want to be clear of something here. This displacement did not start today. This has been building for years. 2 days ago, there was a report about the governors of Bauchi State, Bala Mohammed, who had earlier promised strong action against insecurity, reportedly sought federal assistance after violent extremist group overwhelmed part of his state. Reports indicate that thousands of armed fighters have attacked communities, forcing residents to flee. That is the effect of the video that we are seeing here by this side of the screen. Now, the question is, what exactly is happening? In several northern communities, there are allegations that extremist elements are attempting to impose their own system of rules through violence. Villages are being emptied, residents are displaced, people are living in fear. This is not just insecurity, it is a breakdown of constitutional order in affected states against the Nigerian state. When armed groups attack, kill security personnel, displace civilians, and then discussions arise about reintegration captured fighters back into society under programs like Operation Safe Corridor. Many citizens feel confused and betrayed. They ask, how do you rehabilitate individuals accused of such atrocities without justice first being served? There is growing fear among some Nigerians, especially minorities in affected regions, that their safety and constitutional rights are no longer guaranteed. We must be careful here. This is not a war between religions. It is not Christianity versus Islam. Millions of peaceful Muslims reject violence and extremism. The issue is terrorism and governance failure, not faith. However, extremist groups like Boko Haram and ISWAP have openly rejected Nigeria's constitution in the past and declared their intention to establish their own version of government. That is documented history. When such ideology spread, it becomes a national security crisis. Globally, violent extremism exists in different forms, whether in the Middle East, Africa, Europe, or elsewhere. But Nigeria's problem must be addressed as Nigeria's problem. It requires strong institutions, accountability, professionalism among the security forces, and political will. If citizens believe government officials are compromised or complicit, trust collapses. And when trust collapses, instability grows, as I used to say in my videos. The real question is this: are we strengthening our institutions? Are we enforcing the rule of law equally? Are we protecting every Nigerian regardless of ethnicity or religion? That is the question we should be asking our government. The vision of the country is a serious and dangerous proposal. It is not simple solution. What Nigerian truly need is security sector reform, justice for victims, accountability for sponsors of terrorism, economic opportunity, and protection of constitutional rights. We must avoid dangerous narratives that turn this into a clash of civilizations. The world is already unstable, but Nigerian survival depends on unity under law, not unity under fear. If citizens want change, it must be peaceful, organized, lawful, and strategic. Mass awareness, civic engagement, voting, and demanding transparency. These are tools for democracy. Anger without structure leads to chaos. Structure without courage leads to stagnation. The people of Mansur and other affected communities deserve protection from government and justice and rebuilding, not abandonment. Nigeria belongs to all Nigerians, and the fight must be against terrorism and corruption, not against each other. That is just the video you've just watched, and I believe Nigerian government are seeing all this that is happening. We should not be complicit. This is what Nigerians has been saying, that Nigerian government are complicit to this terrorism in Nigeria. We should be cautioned. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on that subscription button, like this video, share it, and make sure other people see the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.